In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order and pay on the Zara app. We'll walk through each step of the process, ensuring that you can navigate it smoothly and confidently. So let's get started right away. First, you'll want to open your Zara app and go to the My Account section. This is your main hub for tracking orders and managing your profile. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top menu. Click on Woman. This will take you to a wide array of clothing options specifically tailored for women. It's always a great starting point if you're looking for the latest trends or additions to your wardrobe. Now look for the three horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu or burger icon. Clicking this will reveal a list of categories. From there, navigate and click on blazers. Blazers are a versatile fashion staple, and Zara usually offers a great selection to choose from. Once you're on the blazers page, take a moment to browse and find a piece that catches your eye. After you've settled on an item, click on it to open the product page. This is where you can get a closer look at the item, view details, and read any available reviews. If you're satisfied, click on ADD to place it in your shopping cart. Pay attention to size options next. Choose a size that fits you best. Zara has a size guide that can be helpful if you're unsure. If there's a suggestion for adding more items or extras and you're not interested, simply click No Thank You to proceed without selecting them. Now it's time to check your selection. Click on See Shopping Basket to view your cart and ensure that everything you've chosen is correct. Prices, quantities, and item specifics are all laid out for you to review. When you're sure that everything looks good, click Continue to proceed to the checkout process. You'll be prompted to continue again, guiding you through shipping options. Select the delivery method that works best for you. Then hit Continue once more to move forward to the order summary. Double check your order details here. If everything appears accurate and you're ready to complete the purchase, confirm your order. This will take you to the payment section. Choose credit debit card as your payment method. Clicking on card number allows you to securely enter your card details. Ensure that all the details you enter are correct to avoid any delays. Lastly, once your information is securely entered, click on Authorize Payment. This final step confirms the transaction and ensures that your order is on its way. And there you have it, simple steps to navigate ordering and paying on the Zara app. Happy shopping, and don't hesitate to try out these steps the next time you're looking to upgrade your style. If you enjoyed this guide, please feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials.